Whether you're air frying for health, speed, or just that perfect crunch, these 10 air fryers have become America's top picks. Welcome to Tech Cut, your trusted guide for cinematic tech reviews and Amazon deals that truly deliver. Today, we're diving deep into the hottest kitchen upgrades, all live on limited time deals. This isn't just an air fryer, it's your weekday warrior. With Turbo Blaze technology that spins faster than traditional fans, you get ultra crispy chicken, tender veggies, and golden fries in minutes. It features 9 cooking functions, a 6-quart basket ideal for families, and operates quieter than a microwave. At 450 degrees Fahrenheit with precision heat control and up to 95% less oil, it's perfect for meal preppers and fitness lovers. If your kitchen runs like a relay race, this dual basket setup keeps up. Cook 2 items separately and sync their finish with SmartSync. No more waiting or cold sides. The high fry mode adds that gourmet level crunch. And with digital touch controls and shake reminders, you'll feel like a kitchen boss. Ideal for parents, roommates, and weekend snacking sprees. Meet the air fryer that thinks. With built-in smart thermometer tech, it tracks internal temperature so your steak hits medium rare. Your wings get crisp without drying, and every bite is calculated perfection. Match cook mode mirrors your settings across zones, while smart finish times 2 dishes to complete together. Large family? Covered. Big appetite? Definitely. Forget just air frying. This multifunctional monster roasts, bakes, dehydrates, and even runs rotisserie. The extra-large window adds visual flair, and the 17 presets take guesswork out of cooking. Whether it's midweek chicken wings or weekend beef roasts, this appliance replaces 3 devices in one go. Bonus, it's super easy to clean and comes with all the accessories you need. Compact, quiet, and incredibly handy, this model is perfect for dorms, small homes, or RV kitchens. It offers 12 smart menu options, a 360-degree hot air circulation system, and a sleek finish that feels premium without draining your wallet. Cook crispy fries, juicy wings, or dessert treats with 90% less oil. Ideal for solo living or tight schedules. Designed for meat lovers and culinary explorers, Juice Lock technology keeps your protein crispy outside and juicy inside. With up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit rapid heat and 9 tailored cooking programs, every steak, salmon, or chicken dish comes out like it was cooked by a pro. And with 130+ guided recipes in the app, you'll never run out of inspiration. The Ninja Flip is revolutionary. Cook big, store smart. Its vertical flip design frees up countertop space while offering 8 cooking modes, including baking, toasting, pizza, air fry, and dehydration. You can fit a full 12-inch pizza, toast 6 slices, or roast 4 pounds of meat, all with infrared crisping and energy-saving performance. If you love no-fuss cooking with gourmet texture, the high fry mode here pushes your food to 450 degrees Fahrenheit in the final 2 minutes for unbeatable crisp. It has 4 presets, digital controls, and a compact build that fits any kitchen. Dishwasher-safe parts mean easy cleanup. Great for couples, students, or small families craving restaurant-style crunch at home. This XL model was made for households that never stop moving. With presets for all the popular picks, chicken, meat, fish, fries, and one-touch digital control, you'll save time and oil every single meal. The LED shake reminder ensures that golden finish, and with its sleek stainless steel design, it brings modern class to any kitchen. With 10 cooking modes and fast 1600-watt preheating, this is the most versatile pick of the bunch. Air fry a 5-pound chicken or whip up crispy wings for game day, all while saving 90% of the oil and cooking time. The curved touchscreen makes operation easy, and its large family-size basket is BPA-free and top-rack dishwasher safe. There you go, 10 air fryers, each with its own specialty, and all with limited time Amazon deals live right now. Whether you're cooking for 1 or 6, these picks add power, health, and speed to your kitchen routine. Tap the links in the description, lock in your favorite, and subscribe to Tech Cut for USA's top tech storytelling with cinematic flair. Bye-bye!